In your development process, there may be times that you want to create certain types. So for example, if you write in Go, you can create a new struct that acts as a new type in the language. Well, in CloudTruth, you could do something pretty similar. So if I scroll all the way down under organization to types, notice here how we have three primary types. We have the Boolean, integer, and string. Okay, so a Boolean is true or false. Integer is like a number, like 3 or 5 or 10. And then a string is a word or some quote in single quotes or double quotes. So I'm going to click on create new type, and then I'm just going to call this len string. We're going to give it a description. We're going to say a string that can only be 5 letters in length. The base type will choose string. And then we have a rule here. So for example, maximum length will say that it's 5. And then at this point, what we can do is we can click create type. And as we can see, we have this new type here. It's called len string. And the description is a string that can only be 5 letters in length. Now, of course, I can either edit it or delete it. But notice here how in CloudTruth, the Boolean, integer, and string cannot be deleted or changed. So with that, that's how you can get started with working with types inside of CloudTruth.